Roman, what's in your hair? Did Daddy just do that? Or is he smearing it?
He's smearing it.
Wow, a lot of Vaseline in your hair, Roman. You think you're a 50s doo-wop kid? Roman, what's in your hair? What did you do to your hair, buddy?
Cream.
It's a lot of Vaseline, I'll say. Huge one. Roman is obsessed with Vaseline.
Little devil Junior.
Ew.
It's not coming out.
Ew. That's going to be a lot of baby shampoo, that's all I can say. You are so cute. We had to get it on film, Roman. Yeah, look at that. Let's just take a look. We're trying to get a picture of your lovely... Yeah, it didn't turn out quite like you planned, did it? Zara just fell off the chair, and she's naked. This house is falling apart. Okay, bye-bye, everybody.
Yum.